Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 335 Broad Street, Unit 1R in Cumberland, Rhode Island. This is a first floor studio unit, fresh paint, carpet flooring, and much more. And we're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the studio space. So once again, unit houses a nice fresh coat of paint. And again, in the studio space you have a carpet flooring. And overall, you could probably fit a standard to full-size bed set in this studio space. You also have a good amount of room for maybe a small entertainment system or a love seat, what have you. But pretty wide open. Got a couple of windows in here, lots of sunshine coming in, and you do have a private entryway to this unit. We'll go ahead and flip around to the other side. This is the other side of the studio space. Got a pretty large closet there in the corner. Good amount of storage in there. And again, standard full is what I would do for a bed set. Perfect. Next, let's check out the kitchen. Kitchen is in the upper right corner of the space. You have a laminate tile flooring in here, small refrigerator, 4-burner, stove and oven, and dual bin stainless steel sink as your appliances. Plenty of cabinet space down below and up above to the right, and a little bit of countertop space there in the corner. Awesome. Last but not least is the bathroom. Bathroom is obviously right next to the kitchen. Same flooring as the kitchen, the laminate tile flooring. You have the sink area here and the large mirror up above. And right across from that, you have your stand-up shower. Awesome. So once again, this is 335 Broad Street, Unit 1R, in Cumberland, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you.